Welcome to Reminder&Discover Trade. We thank God for this opportunity. Let the Lord lead us to this trade and we make a little money out of the market. It is all about making more money and maximizing profit. Let's do this. Okay, this is what we have in the market right now. This is my trend line looking at the market. Market has been making a cool move. It's dramatically going sideways. And I can see that, but it make a high and came back and make not higher high, but came back close to it and went a little bit, not make a lower low, but also rest in the same zone. Again, it make a little bit of lower low here and make a higher high finally. So the final judgment will be it making a higher high right here, and it's still making a higher high right here and resting a little bit higher low than it. So I'm looking for that the market is going let's say higher high, but in a very slow way. So that's what I'm looking at right now. But I'm looking to buy because the market is still getting bullish. So I'm looking for a very good bullish candle that will confirm that the market is about to run, and I will run with it. That's what I'm looking for right now. And months later, I say that the market is getting exhausted to sell. I'm also looking for that also as well. And if I have a huge bearish candle that is a little bit longer than average candles here, I may definitely also have a quick sell, taking profit at 1 is to 1.5 and my trading profit in addition as well. So that's what I'm looking at right now. I'm waiting. This is time to wait. The market is going sideways, completely slow. So I'm waiting slowly to see something bullish so that I can buy. That's what I put my trust more into it. Yeah, but that's what we're seeing right now. Okay, I want to go back completely and start from there so that I can have a very clear view of what we did the other time, the last previous update, and we pick it from there to see what has actually happened since then. Okay, this is our last update, and we have a very good time here that we were talking about a trend broken and a breakout trade, and the market have a support level here, and we have all this good trade on the market um, after um, making this high. The market started slowing down, distributing, and this is time market get exhausted. And we have this sell down here and went back to the same zone again and start destroying down. This is where we get our first confirmation we were able to sell the market, and this is our second touch, and we're seeing that happen, and we are waiting to see a breakout, and this is where the breakout. But we took this trade purposely because we're seeing this thing is resting and wasn't making any high no longer, but rather time to distribute because it make a high and it's not continue going the same way. So we make a decision on a scalping mindset to start selling the market from this point, and it went back there again. We sell the market, and we now see a trend. So we were able to make some few profit before the market broke out, and after the breakout, we also able to get in on that one too, and we make a cool profit on it. You can see that was almost 3:1 down there, and that went very well also. And from there, we have another trend in market again. Market went back actually to the same resistance level. You can see it. This is it, and this is also this right here. And market start trending then again. But you wait to see the market is about to sell, and we're seeing the first 10 was here, and the second 10 was at the top here, and it start all over. But this is also a potential a sell here, but I may probably say you gotta wait to see it much confirm the market trying to rise up again, but it failed to rise again, and we have this huge sell again, and it's a little bit longer than the average candle here. So this is a confirmation candle to sell on the scalping moves, and we sell on that, and the market went back to have a good trend, a downtrend, and touched back the trend line again, and it went back down very fast. So um, a trailing profit will give you much profit on this one very well, or you can probably take the profit on this one and cash in back on this one also and take the profit as well. And the trend was broken again. When it was broken, we dive in quickly because we know that an average support level was there. So what do? We put a buy limit a little bit higher than this place, and the moment it was a breakout, bang, we get in there, and that is it. We make a quick profit out of that one too as well. And there were much confirmation from hours later also as well. And that is it. That was a good one. And we have the market going sideways, but making a little bit of lower lows, and that's not sure clearly, but I can say it, and that is it. That the market have this high resistance level and went down and make a lower low than that, and we're waiting for confirmation. And here, confirmation that the market is about to sell because a couple of candles go sideways completely and make a little bit a down move and try to rise up, but wasn't able to rise, and it went down again, and we were able to sell the market right there. Okay, so now we see clearly that the resistance level was right there. So we mark it with this blue bar, and here it is, trying to break it, but that's still the zone. So we wait to see this, that it reject again. And here we go with the confirmation, huge bearish candle. That is it. So we saw the market on a quick move there, and we cashed a good profit on that one as well. And the market went back to rise again, and it failed to rise. And this is it again, that you can see the confirmation candle start all over again, but we didn't sell the market on here. That was also a very good trade if you want to raise more. Okay, here we go, that the market finally have another resting place. So it making a move back to uh, the previous resistance level, but it couldn't reach that level, so it quickly reject. We wait to see confirmation, and our indicators are very helpful on these moves, and they help us to get in on this trade also. We didn't hit the profit, but we just need to get out of the trade because it was going sideways, which was taking much time. But the moment it hit this support level and it was standing, we get out of this trade, making 1:1 point something. It's better than taking a loss. So here we go. That we clearly see that the market might downward complete the accumulation. It's the time to get bullish a little bit. So we wait to see confirmation that the market rested. One, and we see this is the second, and this is the third touch. We wait for confirmation, and here you can see we wait to see this huge candle getting bullish before we buy the market on this one. And that is it. That we buy the market on this very bullish candle, and you can see clearly that it was also a very good trade. And after that, we see that we waiting to see a high moves and higher lows move in the market, but it tends to be other way, that the market quickly broke the trend. That you see the market make a move up and come down a little bit, and we see the market supposed to go up again, but it tends to go sideways. So we wait for confirmation. And here is the first confirmation the market is about to sell. And you can sell here as well. We did sell here, and you can also sell here as well, or sell somewhere here also as well. But the seller zone is this, and this one as well, because we are scalping on a short time frame. Okay, as we said earlier on, we are back to where we are today. Okay, now we're seeing a good time happening right here. So it's a good time that we buy this market. Despite a little bit risky, but we're gonna do that right now. And this is what we got today. And thank you for watching, and make sure you do follow. Okay, about a few minutes now, about 15 or okay, it's actually 45 minutes. About 45 minutes, the market is getting bullish. You can see it's getting a profit just by waiting and getting this confirmation candle. The market is doing pretty well right now. You can see that this really cool. You can see the market is shooting up like skyrocketing just by following the strategy that the market is resting so many times. This thing is trending. So what do? We wait for confirmation. This is a confirmation candle, and the market is shooting up. And here we go. Okay, here we go. It's going up with profit. That is it. You can see market is trending completely, but it's sideways move. But it's still a bullish market. So we were able to buy that market, and here we go. Market is going up. Okay, thank you. All right.